Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Angels Nursing Decodes। आज हम एक्स्ट्रॉफी ऑफ ब्लैडर के बारे में डिस्कस कर के लिए जा रहे हैं। सो बिफोर एंटरिंग इनसाइड द टॉपिक, लेट्स सी अबाउट एम्ब्रियोलॉजी। Bladder extrophy, cloacal extrophy and epispadias are variants of the extrophy epispadias complex। So ये सारे congenital abnormalities or the variants of extrophy epispadias complex, and the cause of this complex is due to failure of cloacal membrane to be reinforced by ingrowth of mesoderm। This cloacal membrane develop होने का time कुछ abnormalities और developmental defect आया तो it will results in congenital anomalies। So सभी लोग सोच रहे cloacal membrane मतलब क्या है? Okay, cloacal membrane is nothing but it's a bilaminar layer which is situated at caudal end of the germinal disc that occupies the infraumbilical abdominal wall. So the mesenchymal ingrowth between the ectodermal and the endodermal layers of the cloacal membrane results in the formation of lower abdominal muscles and the pelvic bones. Means it will be this ectodermal and the endodermal layers of the cloacal membrane only finally develop into lower abdominal muscles and pelvic bones. So अगर इसमें प्रीमेच्योर रप्चर और कुछ डेवलपमेंटल डिफेक्ट और इंफ्राअम्बिलिकल डिफेक्ट होगा तो it will be results in bladder extrophy or cloacal extrophy or epispadias। So normally after the mesenchymal ingrowth क्या होगा मतलब the urorectal septum grows in a caudal direction and it divides the cloaca into bladder anteriorly and the rectum posteriorly। So this urorectal septum caudal direction पे, caudal means head to tail, so ऊपर से नीचे it will be growing and this cloaca divides into two, मतलब एक ऊपर part bladder form होगा, नीचे का part rectum form होगा। Okay, distally the septum meets the posterior remnant of the bilaminar membrane which eventually perforates and forms the urogenital and anal opening। So the paired genital tubercles migrate medially and fuse in the midline and cephala to the dorsal membrane before perforation। In this picture you can see the cloacal membrane, how it is first it is fused and second peak slowly it is dividing, that means एक side it is going genitourinary and the other side digestive tract, that means intestinal part। Then in third peak size 12 mm, so approximately open developed, and in the fourth step or fourth peak it is developed into proper urogenital tract and anal region, that means two opening, urethral opening and the anal opening is properly developed। Okay, these are about embryology of this bladder and the rectal development। Next, let's see about condition extrophy of bladder। So bladder extrophy is a rare congenital genitourinary malformation with complex birth defect due to improper fusion of abdominal wall and underlying organs during the fetal period। So during the pregnancy time, cloacal membrane properly fused नहीं हुआ तो this developmental defect occur। Okay, so it is usually associated with number of congenital anomalies which may be related to urogenital tract, musculoskeletal system and sometimes GI tract also। So it refers to eversion of the bladder to the outside of the body So here in this condition bladder body के बाहर दिखेगा. Okay, so it is also termed as ectopia vesicae, that is malposition or misdisplacement of urinary bladder from its normal position in the pelvis. So incidence, male children are more commonly affected. So while comparing females, males ज़्यादा affected है and the ratio is 2:1. दो males affected है तो एक female affected. So and this one is reported in twins. So ज़्यादा cases twin babies को reported अभी तक, and a higher incidence of bladder extrophy is observed in infants of younger mothers and in those with relatively high parity. So the higher incidence young mothers, that means teenage pregnancy or early motherhood, for them the baby will be having extrophy of bladder, and higher parity, those who are having more number of children उनको भी chances ज़्यादा है. Next etiology, it is idiopathic, मतलब unknown cause, and other thing genetic predisposition, अगर genetic disorders है तो उसके साथ आने का chances है, and abnormalities in the cloacal development. This cloaca formation का time कुछ abnormalities हुआ तो उसको भी chance ज़्यादा है. Next maternal tobacco exposure. During the pregnancy time, if the mother is exposed to tobacco use, okay, so then the baby may be ज़्यादा chance for affecting. Next, in vitro fertilization, that means IVF pregnancy, like test tube babies, so there also chances are high. Next, classification. First is classic bladder extrophy and the second is cloacal extrophy. So classic bladder extrophy means only the bladder it will be outside, that means other parts, the rectal, anus, everything will be proper, but it is the defect in lower abdominal wall, bladder, genitalia, pelvic bones, rectum and anus. So here what happened, the bladder mucosa with urine dripping continuously, urinary incontinence will be there. So in this pic you can see the classic bladder extrophy. First one is male baby with classic bladder extrophy and the second is female baby with classic bladder extrophy. Next, cloacal extrophy. So it's the most severe defect. इसमें ना urethra, bladder, bowel, it will be present outside, and in this condition GI tract involvement will be there and central nervous system will be also involved, and it is very rare condition. It occurs 1 in 2 lakhs to 4 lakhs live birth. So in this pic you can see cloacal extrophy. Next, pathophysiology. So हमने देखा the mesodermal ingrowth between the ectodermal and the endodermal layers of the bilaminar cloacal membrane result in the formation of lower abdominal musculature and pelvic bones. So this develop होने का time कुछ abnormalities or this issues will be occurring. So तब क्या होगा, defect होने का chances है. Actually it will, the mesenchymal ingrowth occurs and the downward growth of the rectal septum divides the cloaca into bladder anteriorly and rectum posteriorly. So the genital tubercles migrate medially and fuse in the midline cephal to the dorsal membrane before it perforates. So premature rupture occurs and उसके बाद it will be results in bladder extrophy, cloacal extrophy or epispadias. Next, clinical manifestation. So here absence of anterior abdominal wall will be there उसके बाद यूरिनरी इनकॉन्टिनेंस, दैट मीन्स ड्रिपलिंग ऑफ द यूरिन, देन कांस्टेंट ऑर्डर ऑफ यूरिन एंड एक्सकोरिएशन ऑफ सराउंडिंग स्किन, क्योंकि कंटिन्यूसली ड्रिपलिंग ऑफ यूरिन विल बी देयर, उसके वजह से क्या होगा, स्किन विल बी मॉइस्ट, इट विल बी लीड्स टू दिस इरिटेबिलिटी एंड स्किन डैमेज होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है. देन मेल चाइल्ड है तो समटाइम्स इट विल बी एसोसिएटेड विथ एपिस्पैडियास, शॉर्ट penis, undescended testes or inguinal hernia. Female child means bifid clitoris will be there and missing roof of urethra will be there. Next, pubic bones and rectus muscles are widely separated. Anus is placed anteriorly and umbilicus is pushed downwards. Next, waddling gait due to external rotation of femoral head will be there. Next, diagnosis. So prenatal diagnosis of bladder exstrophy. So it is inability to visualize the bladder on ultrasound. Then lower abdominal bulge will be there. Then small penis or with anteriorly displaced scrotum will be there. Then low set umbilical insertion. Abdominal widening of the iliac crest will be there. Then management, surgical reconstruction. So first urogenital defects को correct करना है. Next, renal function if it is going on properly वो evaluate करना है. Next, functional and cosmetically acceptable external genitalia and maximize the patient quality of life. Next, complete primary repair of exstrophy. So reconstructive surgery should be done. That means first bladder को close करना है, then bladder neck, क्योंकि sphincter control नहीं होगा तो bladder control it won't be there. So उसके लिए bladder reconstruction, then अगर epispadias है तो उसको repair करना है. Finally closing the pelvic bones, that means pelvic osteotomy. Next, initial reconstruction is to convert the extrophic bladder to a complete epispadias. Then pelvic ostomies, अगर pelvic bones और proper नहीं है तो उसको open करके repair करना है. Epispadias it should be done 6 to 12 months of age, and the bladder neck repairs is performed at 4 to 5 years, क्योंकि by 3 years only bladder control will be there attained. So उसके बाद हमको मालूम है bladder neck control attained or not. So उसके बाद surgery करना है. In this pic आपको the first incision to mid shaft of penis they are doing, then incision down to vaginal os. Okay. Next, incision follows bladder template and incorporates umbilicus. Then lateral aspect of bladder is resected. Then they will be connecting properly. Next, nursing management. As a nurse, हम क्या क्या करना है? First, maintain intake output chart. Then monitor the signs of UTI and urine wound infection. Then skin integrity, क्योंकि bladder exposed mucosal layer and the exposed bladder mucosa will be there, so integrity maintain करना है. Next, prevent the bladder tissue from drying. उसके लिए means until the closure, surgical closure, like some gauze or something, wet gauze should be covered. With that, it should be sterile, non-adherent, clear plastic wrap or sterile thin film dressing without adhesive. Next, petroleum jellies should be avoided क्योंकि it will be damage the bladder mucosa. इसलिए petroleum jelly should be avoided. Next, अगर child is prone to UTI मतलब antibiotics administer करना है as per the doctor's prescription. Next, emotional support क्योंकि hospitalization and they will be mentally upset, so emotional support should be given to the parents. एंड दे अगर उन पेरेंट्स और केयर टेकर्स को कुछ डाउट है तो वो फ्रीडम देना है क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए. And complication, dehiscence of the wound and the bladder, then bladder prolapse होने का chance ज़्यादा है. Next, development of stricture or outlet obstruction. And surgery के बाद wound infection होने का chances है UTI, then penile soft injury with some methods of repair. Okay, then finally nursing diagnosis. Impaired urinary elimination related to incontinence of urine from abnormal urethral outlets, then disturbed body image related to disease condition, risk for infection related to defect in anterior abdominal wall, impaired skin integrity related to surgical trauma, anxiety related to threat to self concept, change in health status and environment. So अभी तक हम एक्स्ट्रॉफी ऑफ ब्लैडर के बारे में डिस्कस किया. सो आई थिंक एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.